So here's the story of this one guy, and this is almost a true story.
So you see, I was Mr. Mustachio. And with my beautiful mustache, I was driving down the street in my 6'4". And then one day, this French terrorist came after me, and he wanted...
The Kiki de Shizu. Bonjour. I am the Labra, and I adopted this Shih Tzu from King Mao Zedong. My Chinese accent is a little bad, but okay, so I take the Kiki.
No. You see, I, Mr. Mustachio, will stop you from taking the Kiki because I am Mr. Mustachio.
Hold on. No, they take my pride. I deserve the Kiki.
You do not.
It's payback time.
No, you do not.
Too bad.
Hey, I'm slapping you. I'm slapping you.
No, the Kiki. Run.
No. Okay. You may have the Kiki for a high five. There you go, you may have the Kiki, because I don't like the dog anymore. The end.